Floorcare biz is proud to present the Tennant E5 carpet extractor. The E5 is a walk-behind cord electric-powered machine featuring a 15-inch cleaning path, 5-gallon solution tank, and 5-gallon recovery tank, making all your small jobs a breeze. This unit also features a low profile to clean those hard-to-reach areas, simple and intuitive controls to minimize straining, and a space-saving, compact design for easy storage, making the Tennant E5 a great addition to your equipment fleet. Your unit is covered under a dead-on-arrival and 30-day parts warranty. All machines in stock will ship out same day and arrive to you in 3 to 5 business days. To place an order, click the link in the description. Visit us online at floorcare.biz. Email us at sales@floorcare.biz or call us at 217-233-8932. We look forward to hearing from you. Floorcare.biz, where your floors are our business.